Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about a project. So we have performed a project on Azure DevOps using AKS, ACR, and Argo CD and Docker as well. So here are the prerequisites before starting. Okay, so I have made step-by-step process to make the things easier because it took me 4 hours to complete this complete project. So I can't, since I can't record everything, so I made step by steps in the LinkedIn newsletter. So I'm just giving the instructions so you can follow the same instruction and you can complete the project. So need a Azure account, Azure and Azure DevOps account with the config and Azure CLI, the kubectl, Helm, and Docker needs to be installed. So these are the things which need to be installed. After that, we'll also install the Argo CD on the AKS cluster. So once everything is installed, what we need to do? We need to create the organization in Azure DevOps. So this is Azure DevOps. I already created an organization and her project is also set up. So I'll show you the project. This is a Microsoft, this is Azure account. So these are the repos or pipelines. So repos are just like a GitHub repos where we have all the source code. So this is a main, once you push all the code to the repos, so you need to have the main branch. So set up the main branch, then a repos will be there. The repo setup will be done once you select the main branch. After that, so create the new organization and new project. Once it is done, push your set up Git repositories in Azure repos. What are the Git repositories are there? You need to set up them in the Azure repos, push it to Azure repos using this command, and create Azure container registry ACR. So using Azure CLI in this complete process, I have used the CLI only. So all the comments, you just need to follow all the comments. That's it. So making like bit changes like in the personal token or the or in the password. So that's it. So here we have the agent pool. So what agent does? It does all the work like installing your Docker image based on all the instructions in the next comments. So it will do everything. So since we are using Ubuntu here, install the agent on virtual machine. So for that we need a virtual machine. See, so to create the virtual agent, so we are following this command. So here is your personal access token from the Azure DevOps. We need a personal access token from the Azure DevOps. So click on the settings. I think, yeah, click on the profile. Yeah, see personal access token. Just make the changes in the command and run the agent. Once it is done, so go to the pipelines, new pipeline, choose Azure repos, git, select the repo, and select the starter project and replace the content. Once, so there is a file called starter pipeline. So replace this, then agent will do everything like creating the build the Docker image, okay, and log into ACR. Uh, the file name, the everything, Docker tag, Docker file name, everything is set up. Then save and run the pipeline. Now we need to set up the AKS Azure Kubernetes Service cluster. So AKS, we need to create the AKS cluster. Just to copy this and make the changes. No, you can just copy and change the resource group name and AKS name also. Okay, use the AKS name and change the resource group name and just enter the command. Connect the cluster. Here also we just need to change the resource group name and also the AKS cluster name. verify the connection, uh, kubectl get nodes. After this step, we need to install and configure the argo cd. Install argo cd in AKS. So create namespace argo cd repo, add argo cd. So just copy paste this command and get the argo cd admin password using the below command. Sorry. So here is a documentation of argo cd. So the same command which we have. Once you get the admin password, forward to port to the access UI, so you can able to access your UI. And here is the port name like 8080. Connect argo cd with Azure DevOps. Okay, here is the command. Make the changes in the command and configure cd pipeline in Azure DevOps. Edit pipeline YAML file to the add and to the deployment. Make the changes in the command. So and get the external IP. Once you get the external IP, just verify the application. That's it. So that's it about the project. So I explained each and every step, and also I have shown you the Azure DevOps project dashboard. So how we made it. So just go through this, follow the each and every step. Then everything will be fine. It works perfect. That's it about today's project. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any suggestions or recommendations or anything, so please comment below so that I can follow your instructions, or I can make those kind of videos more. So I want to make the videos very short form and give the complete knowledge. Thank you. Please do subscribe.